guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a color walls game. So first we're going to delete this, then we're going to select the backdrop, go to backdrops and color this black. Then you're going to add a new spray. Then we're going to choose the color red. And we are going to make this a white outline. Now we're going to convert it to bitmap. We're going to do filled, and then we're going to make a nice rectangle for the game. Then we're going to zoom in, make this a little smaller. Okay, we're going to zoom in, grab our paint tool. We're going to keep zooming in with the and this looks perfect. I just want to make this a little bigger. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first get the black color. We're going to outline this whole thing with black. When you're done outlining with black, we're going to switch this to the white color. Then, we're going to give it little checkers and pattern. Then we're going to make a variable. We're going to call this score. And don't forget, like I did, to make this zoomed in again so that we have it. There you go. There goes our costume. Then we're going to make some code for this platform. When green flag clicked, then we're going to put hide, and then we're going to drag out forever and create clone of myself. Then we're going to wait 1 second and change that 1 second to 2. Change score by 2. No, by 5. I like 5 better. Start sound pop. Then change pitch effect by 2. This is going to be very annoying. So every 2 seconds you wait, you get a higher score. Then we're going to put, when I start as a clone, we're gonna go to looks and put show. Then we're gonna go to XY, and we're gonna pick 160 on the Y. Then we're gonna go to operators and then pick random. I'm gonna do minus 160 to 160. Then we're going to go to looks and we're gonna set size to 100. And then we're gonna go to change size by. I'm gonna put change size by, and then we're going to go down to variables and put score inside here. Then we're going to put in event and we're going to put repeat 160 times, change Y by 2, then delete this clone. And we're going to change this 2 to -2 so we don't get confused. Then we're going to go to the costumes, and this sprite is a little too big, so I'm just going to shrink it. I think that's perfect. Make sure it's centered. Perfect. Now we're going to make our sprite. It's going to be a simple square. Now you could add the same pattern that we added for the platforms, but I'm just going to keep it a simple square. Pause this. Nice square. Then we're going to code it. So we're going to put, when green flag clicked, set score to 0. Then we're going to go to events, no, control. And then we're going to put repeat until. Then we're going to go to sensing and put touching color. Then we're going to wait till one of the platforms come. I'm going to select this red. Now, we're going to go to motions, and we're going to put set Y to 130 minus 130. Then set X to mouse X. And then we're going to go to sensing and put mouse X. Then we're going to go back to motion and we're going to put set Y, go back to sensing to mouse Y. Then say game over for 2 seconds. Then we're gonna stop all. Now you can move the mouse all over the screen and dodge the little platforms. Thanks for watching. Bye.